I'm Maria Ante. I am a mom. I'm a lawyer. I've been practicing for almost 12 years and almost exclusively practicing family law. Family matters more than anything. That's the most important aspect of my life, and I think it would probably be the most important aspect of everyone's life. Starting with my parents, they are shirts off the back kind of people. I've actually seen them do that. I've seen my dad take a hat off and give it to a person at a game that, their forehead was getting burnt. My mom is the same way. She was a special ed teacher and really had a soft spot for kids, a soft spot for being a teacher and a leader. I'm one of four. I have an older brother, a younger brother, and a younger sister. My husband, Tim, and I met, we were 20 and 21. We've been married now almost 15 years. 6 months after we met, he was involved in a traumatic injury at work and lost his right leg. He woke up from that hospital bed and immediately made a joke. Nothing stops him. Nothing gets in his way. He's pretty inspiring. I have an 8-year-old son and a 5-year-old daughter. My son, Bo, is 8. He's on the spectrum. It's something that when you learn about this diagnosis and then you learn about the condition, and obviously you want to absorb all that as much as possible to help your child, but you go through a grief process, you go through a understanding it process, and then there's waves of, man, this kid is so intelligent in ways that I don't see in other kids. Again, that's been another critical piece of my life is, I really like helping kids with special needs. I really like understanding them, and as a mom and as a professional, I see it every single day, and we see it in the courtroom every single day. Every family is unique, and they need to be able to talk about that and share that. The family that I have, I just feel, how did I even get so lucky? How did this happen? I have an obligation and a duty and a desire to help other people find some degree of that. An inch of that better for a grandparent or a parent or a child, an adoptive parent, a foster parent. If I can just make an inch of their life better to give them a fraction of what I've got, it would be a success to me. The family experiences, the background, my personal story, it makes me capable of handling the kinds of cases that are going to come before this court. Having dealt with hundreds of families on my professional side, having practiced these kinds of cases for many, many years and seeing all of the nooks and crannies that are involved in each of those cases to be able to be an effective judge. Life is heartbreaking, and then it's amazing, and then it's mundane and ordinary, and even boring sometimes. In order to enjoy the really amazing times, it's about family. To get through the really heartbreaking or difficult times, it's about family. And I hope that as a Kenton County Family Court judge, that I can help people experience the wonderful in a better way and get through the really difficult a better way. Because I certainly was lucky enough to have that in my life. As a lawyer and a mom and someone who is passionate about family, being a family court judge, I can help people in the sense that I will listen and they will be heard. That's what most people that are walking into a courtroom want. They want to be heard. They want to tell their story. That's what everybody wants. They want to be heard.